Hi everyone, I'm Benjamin.
And I'm Lasvini, and we are here to help you to start your studies in Germany.
Coming to FAU will make you part of the student life cycle. As we are all scientists and therefore more comfortable with scientific depictions, we illustrated your growth until graduation with a biological life cycle, the one of our mascot, the FAU owl. Starting out as an egg, it will grow into an adult owl with a diploma, ready to fly and conquer the world. Remember, all the information and videos we mention in this video will be linked in the description below.
As an egg, you have to go through several stages until you can hatch into student life. Application, admission, enrollment, paying your first semester fee, and visiting introduction events are the very things you have to deal with. We already made a whole video that will support you during your arrival in Germany. Remember to attend introduction events of your department to make extra sure you are prepared for what's coming next.
Starting your studies first and foremost means creating your study plan. The first look at the course catalog is like cracking your eggshell, giving you a first look at what awaits you in the upcoming semester. A preliminary course schedule will be published around 2 months before lectures start, and you will find all the courses and everything you need on FAU's information system, Univis.
On our website, we described how to draw up your study plan. You should take courses for about 30 ECTS per semester. Also, there are study programs that will provide you with module plans that will show which courses you should attend in which semester. Also have a look at your study and examination regulations. Being always informed usually saves you quite some trouble.
After drawing up your study plan and planning what you want to study, you will have to register for most of the courses, seminars, lectures and exercises. Course registration differs from department to department, so please inform yourself before the deadline approaches on how you need to register or whether you need to register at all. If you want to attend language courses, you will have to have a look at the website of FAU's Language Center. All the courses are also listed on Univis. FAU has quite a range of online platforms and you will have to use all of them during your stay, but don't worry. There's a video explaining everything you need to know in the description below.
Another deadline you shouldn't miss is the registration for sports courses. There's almost a famous run on these courses, so our little owl has to fly super fast to snatch a spot. These courses are also very affordable and popular amongst the students because you can meet new people and also stay fit at the same time. If university sport is nothing for you, there are also local sport clubs that have some great offers for students.
As we are already talking about meeting new people, young owls usually seek the company of others. Meeting friends is super easy during introduction events and the various activities organized by students on campus, but there are many more opportunities to meet new people. You can attend the parties in your dormitory or join the language tandem program. You could also be a part of the student representative group, join a club or association, or be a part of the buddy program.
The start of your first semester means you finally hatch from your egg and can start growing as a student and take your first flutters. Attending first lectures is like attempting your first flights. You will receive all the information on your study materials and how to obtain them in your first lectures as well as in introduction events.
Enjoy your semester. While preparing for the first time, our little owl might get into a little bit of a hustle and experience its first encounter with a student's predator, exams. But don't worry, you can outrun this danger pretty easily by keeping up with your studies during the lecture period. Another important thing you should not miss is that you need to register for exams during the lecture period. All the deadlines will always be published on Mein Campus.
After you manage that one and only natural threat that will endanger your whole life, you can easily fly into the lecture-free period. Though, lecture-free doesn't only mean leisure. There are other obligations and opportunities that you can do during this time. internships, essays, or other kind of activities that the university offers.
Also during the semester, and not to be forgotten, you will have to re-register for the next semester. You do this by simply paying the semester fee for the next semester. You will find the deadline and payment details on my campus.
Speaking of payments, the lecture-free period is also an opportunity to earn some money. Get all information on the work regulations for international students on our website.
During the lecture-free period, you will also receive information on the new deadline for course registration. That means you should start looking for new courses on Univis again, and that also means the entire life cycle will start from fresh. But after you've registered your last examination, which will most likely be your bachelor's or master's thesis, you can already start looking into your opportunities and possibilities for your life after university. FAU offers you support through its career service. You can join application workshops or get an orientation for your work life. This little owl will be given just enough wind under its wings to fly.
Our little owl is not so little anymore and is all grown up. The first step into adulthood is its diploma, and you will receive yours by mail and also the exmatriculation. Afterwards, you can also use the FAU platforms and the IDM accounts for 5 years.
Please always be aware that young owls in the wild, as well as students in Germany, need to take care of themselves, but can seek help if they need to. If you have any troubles, the German university system relies on you to take initiative and contact the necessary service points for any help, be it academical or personal. There will always be help if you need it. We linked all the information you need in the description below and on our website.
The same also applies when it comes to studying. You will have to work independently and will be responsible for your time management. Please be aware that you have to learn to filter through a lot of input and need to decide which information is important for you. Just like how little owls have to learn which food is good for them and which is not.
And that's it. Our little owl is no youngling anymore, but fully grown up and equipped with everything it needs for its future. It can fly into the next phase of its life, but we'd love to stay connected. Join the FAU alumni network to stay in touch and meet new people all around the world.
We wish you a great stay at FAU. I'm in confusion.